Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I am working on a 2006 Lexus Suburban, and I'm here at Walmart. It's a small world, and I bump into one of my friends and she need her filter change. So I don't have no tools, so we're just gonna do it right quick, and it's right in the front, and all you have to do is just remove these clips right here. It goes one right here. Just gonna push it back. You're gonna take this one, push it back also, and the one in the bottom right here, push it back. There's another one right down here, push it back, and all you're gonna do is put it forward right here. Come on, girl, I'm gonna need you to hold the camera. Oh no, she don't need to hold the camera. So you just push it back right here. Once you push it back, you're gonna just take out the filter. Let's just see how the orientation of this one is. Small world, right? And there it goes. Girl, you caught it on time. Yeah. It's nice and dirty. So you see how the orientation, you see how you see how this part is like this. So we're gonna find the part of this side over here, and there it goes right there. The letters should be towards the back. So we're just gonna put this to the side, and you're just gonna push it right in there. What you do, take your time and just gonna push it right in. If I had both hands, I would have been finished, but I'm doing everything with one hand. So all you do is push it in there, and once you push it in, you're gonna press this, press it back. Take this one, also press it back. The one inside, push it in, and then that one also right in there, and then you should be able to push it back. Push this back to lock it. Push that one to lock it, and this one also push it back, and then lock it. It's that easy. So you have changed the filter, the air filter, on a 2000 and what is this? A 2006 Lexus Suburban. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. Contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.